Hello and welcome to the channel. If you already have a solar power system installed, regular servicing is one of the most important things you can do to keep it operating safely and efficiently. Over time, dust, bird droppings, loose electrical connections, inverter faults, and battery issues can reduce system performance and shorten equipment life. In this video, I will show you how to service an existing solar power system step by step. By the end of this video, you will know how to inspect the solar panels, clean them properly, check the inverter, test batteries, inspect electrical connections, and identify common problems. Let's get started. Before working on any solar system, safety comes first. Always wear insulated gloves and safety glasses. If you need to access the roof, use a stable ladder and proper fall protection. Turn off both the AC and DC isolators before opening any electrical equipment. Never disconnect solar connectors while the system is under load. And if you are unsure about any step, contact a qualified solar technician. To service a solar system, you will need a few basic tools: a soft brush or sponge, clean water, a microfiber cloth, a digital multimeter, a clamp meter, and optionally, a thermal camera for detecting hotspots. A notebook or service checklist is also useful for recording your findings. Step 1 is the visual inspection. Start by checking the solar panels. Look for dirt, dust, leaves, and bird droppings. Check for cracked glass, discoloration, delamination, or burn marks. Make sure all panel clamps are secure. Next, inspect the mounting structure. Look for rust, corrosion, loose bolts, or any signs of water leakage around roof penetrations. Then inspect all visible cables. Check for cracked insulation, UV damage, rodent damage, and loose connectors. Step 2 is cleaning the solar panels. Dirty panels can significantly reduce power output. The best time to clean them is early in the morning or late in the afternoon, when the panels are cool. Rinse the panels with clean water. Use a soft brush or sponge to remove dirt. Avoid abrasive materials or harsh chemicals. If needed, dry the panels with a microfiber cloth. In most locations, cleaning every 3 to 6 months is sufficient. Step 3 is checking the inverter. The inverter is the heart of the solar power system. Check that the status light is green or shows normal operation. Review the display for any warning messages or fault codes. Look at the daily energy production and compare it with previous sunny days. A sudden drop in output may indicate a problem. Also check that the cooling fan and ventilation openings are clean and unobstructed. Step 4 is battery inspection. This step applies to hybrid and off-grid systems. Check the battery state of charge, voltage, and temperature. Look for alarm messages. Inspect the terminals for corrosion. Check for swelling, leaks, or unusual odors. Clean and tighten the terminals if necessary. And confirm that the battery settings match the manufacturer's recommendations. Step 5 is checking electrical connections. Inspect the DC isolators, AC breakers, surge protection devices, and earthing connections. Look for signs of overheating, such as discoloration, burn marks, or melted insulation. Verify that all terminals are tight. Loose connections can create resistance and heat, which may lead to equipment failure. Step 6 is measuring system performance. Using a multimeter and clamp meter, measure the PV string voltage and current. Measure the AC output voltage and current from the inverter. Compare these readings with expected values and manufacturer specifications. Large differences may indicate a fault. Step 7 is reviewing monitoring data. Open the Inverter Monitoring app or web portal. Check daily and monthly energy production. Review the fault history. For battery systems, check charge and discharge cycles. Look for any gradual decline in performance over time. Now let's look at some common problems. If the system output is low, the most common causes are dirty panels, shading, or inverter faults. If the inverter displays an error, the issue may be related to the grid supply overheating or an internal fault. If the battery is not charging properly, check the configuration settings and battery health. If monitoring data is missing, the internet connection may be disconnected. After servicing the system, create a service report. Record the inspection date, system readings, any faults found, repairs completed, and recommendations for future maintenance. Keeping records helps you track system performance over time. As a general maintenance schedule, clean the panels and perform a visual inspection every 3 to 6 months. Carry out a full electrical inspection once per year, and address any faults as soon as they are detected. Regular servicing helps your solar power system operate at maximum efficiency and extends the life of your equipment. By following these steps, you can catch problems early, improve energy production, and protect your investment. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And leave a comment if you would like to see more tutorials on solar panel testing, inverter troubleshooting, or battery maintenance. Thanks for watching.